it's Thursday night, West Coast swing dancing here at Nick's Nightclub, Alexandria, Virginia. Look what I got the talented Miss Stephanie always by my side. We're going to share with you, a sequence that we would love for you to try using when you go dancing. If you didn't come to our weekly class, at least you have the opportunity to watch it now and learn it at your pace. But if you came tonight, thank you. So this is a loop. We have a bunch of loops. Loop her, because you're going to be looping her head, shoulders with your elbow, but we're going to first show you the first part of it after sugar push. The first 3 counts, 1, 2, 3. Okay, for the ladies, first part, followers, we're going to sugar push. Just watch Stephanie's footwork first. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. Weights on Stephanie's right foot. She just walk, walk, walk. Leaders, you're going to get onto her footwork. So what you're doing while Stephanie stands there, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3. And I don't move my right foot for the second and then third step. So I keep my weight on my right foot for the 2 steps after 1. So I'm on her footwork. She shouldn't even know it. It's really up to leaders to do this. Triple here. So 1, 2, 3. All right, we're going to go front to back for this next part. Now I'm going to move a little bit over to Stephanie's left on the track to do this first steps. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now what you didn't see there is when I'm going to put my hand on the back of her right shoulder. Not under her armpit, but under her. She's going to feel a connection there. So 1, 2, 3. Now I'm raising my elbow, my right elbow up. Stephanie's still on her right foot, not knowing anything, but I'm starting to add some pressure onto her right shoulder. And I'm going to start to tilt her body to the left. I don't want to push her, but I want to tilt it slightly for the next part, because that's when the loop comes in. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. For what Stephanie's part, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there was a lot going on there. So you're going to push her back to where she was. We're going to get to 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm using her right hand as well, but I'm going to push and raise her shoulder. Now when you feel this, followers, you don't want to really duck your head forward. You want to tilt your head slightly to whatever direction you feel the pressure coming from, the opposite. So you want to push. So I'm going to raise my elbow. You still have to do that regardless of the height, so you don't bump her in the head for a triple step. Now we're going to go this way, front to back, so you can see that part, because that's the key to this. We're going to 1, 2, 3. Now she goes back to the left. I raise, triple step. So I'm got that right hand still in the back of her right shoulder, but I've pushed her back forward where she was to start. So adding the rest of it, triple step here, triple step here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So as soon as I do that first push, I got to send her the opposite way. You're going to mess her hair up. I'm sorry. He's dancing, so it's okay. At least it's allowed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So you're pushing one way, keeping her on the track, but then pushing her back the other way. So you don't want a really fast song for this, but you want a nice smooth song. So again, stay off the track, guys, until she's past you completely. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. So with my footwork, we're just going to go back front to back this way. For the leaders, because remember, you're on her footwork on 3. So we're going to do really slow with the lead. So 1, 2, 3. Left for 4. My left, and same with hers, is on 4. I do triple step. I'm on her right foot as well. But then when she does her last triple, I just do a walk, walk to get back into my forward. Really, it's whenever you feel like you want to take out that 1 step, leaders, that's your call. But she doesn't need to know it. She just has to do the loop. So triple here, it's another loop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'll go back this way. Her hair's messed up, but at least she's pretty happy, kind of. I don't know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We don't recommend you doing this with someone you never danced with before. If they're not expecting that could hurt her head. So either show it to her first, unless she's comfortable with loops. That way, you both can do it well without any issues. Thank you. Thank you guys. As always, we really appreciate you watching our videos. Click that subscribe button for a free video, and we'll do something for you next time. Till then, have a great week. Have a great week. Keep dancing. Bye-bye.